Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to this video. I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video we're going to discuss that how you can change the theme of your Wix website. So basically when you go to wix.com, it'll land you on your dashboard, and here you would see the details about your site, if you have created a website, and a bunch of other stuff. So now what we want to do is we want to change the theme of our website. So what we gotta do is we gotta go here, head here on the top right corner. Around here you would see edit site. Click on the edit site and it'll take you to your website and in the editing page. So basically here you will be able to edit your website, add content to it, remove content, move them around, change the theme. So basically it'll take a bit of a time for loading. It is loading all the tools necessary. If you have a better internet connection, a better PC, it'll work faster. So basically, as you can see, here is a website that I have. So now what I want to do is I want to change the theme. So basically, I want to change the text, I want to change the color, I want to change everything about that. So to do that, what we need to do is, if you look at the left hand side, there is a toolbar, or there is more like a dock. And what you need to do is you need to hover here and you would find different options. So what we are interested in is site design. Now what we got to do is we got to click on site design, and this window will pop up. Now what we need to do is we need to click on site theme. You click on the site theme, and after that you'll get a bunch of theme down here. So basically what a lot of people do is they click here and nothing happened. They're like, okay, it's not working. There is something glitchy. No, it's not about that. Then what you gotta do is you gotta adopt from that theme. Like, you got to copy the theme style or the theme color onto your current website. So what we got to do is, let's suppose we want to go with retro vibrant. So what we do is we click on retro vibrant and we click on colors. Click on colors, and after that you will see that there is color theme, and then there is a bunch of and then there is the color and different variant of that color in different color tones. So basically what we want to do is we want to change the theme color, right? So what we got to do is click on change. Now what you will see is you would see featured themes. Now down here are all the colors inside that one that we selected. So basically if you go back, we went to retro vibrant, right? So similarly if you go to dynamics and click on color and then click on color theme, and you would see that color relating to that theme. So what we want to do, we want to click on one of these, and as you can see, the website will adopt that color. So if you click on another one, you would see the website will adopt that color. So this is how you can change the color theme of your website. So we would go with the retro one, and as you can see, it's a retro look to this. And after that I'll press the back button, and here you can see I can change it. Let's suppose I'm not happy with this black, so I can just go and make it like this, or this one. I can click on this and say apply, and this would be like applied to this. So if we can just drag it up a little, as you can see, the changes will take place, and after that we got to click on apply. So I can just drag it over here, oops, sorry, and after that click apply, and as you can see the color is applied here. Now what I want to do is, next I want to change the text of this site. So if I click on text, you would see that a website is built up on different kind of text. There are headings and there are different kind of headings inside the heading, and then there are paragraphs. So what we got to do is we got to click on heading, and after that you would get to choose a font, basically which font you want for your website. So let's say the heading 1, we want this. So let's say for the heading 1 we want to go with this domain. So what we got to do is, so basically for the heading we want to go with Damien font, and what we'll do is we'd bold it and italic touch to it, and after that if I click apply, to all the fonts that are heading 1 will go into this font. So basically if I go here, and as I can see here, I can just choose the font 3, and if I change here something, it'll apply to the website after clicking apply. So this is how it works. Now what we want to do is we want to change the website as a whole. So basically this is how you do it. Previously you would have like themes where you would select one. Now when you're creating the website you choose one, and after that you can change So previously you would have just like had templates, you would click on them and you would basically, it'll change everything of your website at once. But now they have added it through this feature where it's more flexible and there are more variant to it, where you can go and choose many different kind of colors within the same theme. So that's why they went with this touch. So this is how you can change the theme for your Wix website. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one, because I upload a lot of interesting videos that can help you. So yeah, make sure to press the bell icon and see you in the next videos. Yeah, peace.